All right, let's go ahead and take a look outside. We are starting to see that clearing as expected. That front is making its way through the area, and on the backside, very dry, very windy, and much cooler conditions are going to blow into the area. We may have already topped out temperature-wise. It's 51 right now in Philadelphia. Look at the wind gust to 32 miles an hour. Look at that dew point. It's falling. It's at 41, so that drier air is arriving, and the winds have turned to the north. Let's talk about those wind gusts. Not across South Jersey yet. You haven't reached that pinnacle of 10 miles an hour or higher, but look at this. This is the highest wind gust so far in Philadelphia, 32 miles an hour, 39 in the Poconos, 25 in Wilmington, and this is going to continue all day long and tomorrow as well. This cold air is filtering in across a large part of the country. Look at this, all the way down into the southern plains. It extends all the way over into Pennsylvania, all the way up into the Pacific Northwest. So thank you, Canada, for this push of cold air. In fact, because of that, the only warm spot for the next week ahead is going to be right out along the West Coast. Much of the nation is going to be at or below average, and that includes us. We're going to be in one of the colder portions for the next week ahead. So 3 things to know. A colder pattern does settle in for the next 7 days. Not saying we won't get into some 50s, but we'll be in plenty of 40s too. Big chill on the way for Thanksgiving, and we are tracking a midweek storm. Let's take a look at that storm. Right now, nothing going on in our area. We had some sprinkles overnight. That one's gone. We're starting to see the clearing out there. But the next storm is way out to the west. It's on the west coast, not what you see coming up the east coast. That stays out at sea. So that low pressure is gone. This cold front will be gone. The chilly, windy air will come filtering in. The next couple of days, pretty quiet, but they will be on the blustery side. Northwest winds this afternoon with clear skies out there. Overnight, we clear out. We were in the 50s this morning. We'll be in the low 30s near freezing tomorrow morning. Now that's quite a drop. We are going to move through tomorrow with plenty of sunshine, and then here come a few clouds very late in the day and during the evening. But it is going to be a very quiet day other than the wind. So 56 today, 55 tomorrow. That's seasonable. But again, it's going to feel colder because of that wind. Now out west, let's focus. Here's this storm system coming on shore. There's another one loaded in the pattern behind it. But this one is going to dig into the southwest, and look what happens. By the time we get into Monday, we're still pretty quiet. But watch these 3 airports. We're talking about Dallas, Chicago, and Atlanta. Any storms there, and that could wreak holiday travel, just troubles all over the place. So here we go. On Tuesday, Chicago could be affected, Atlanta on the way to being affected, and we get that rain moving in late in the day and at night. So the northwest or the northeast is going to be affected as well, all the way up into New England, where they're going to see the potential of snow. We head through Tuesday into early Wednesday. Showers continue, but then things quiet down, and the entire country looks pretty quiet. There is another storm system on the way for Thanksgiving. Question marks by another one of our big models that say this could slide in for Thanksgiving, but right now we're going to leave it dry. So we have a dry Thanksgiving. 56 today, 55 tomorrow, 48 on Monday. Showers possible Tuesday and Wednesday. Much colder though on Thanksgiving. Look at that. Only 45 degrees. We'll start with sun, and we'll end with some clouds. Guys?
All right, Tammie, thank you.